Hello everyone. Today we'll start with TRCS split in data management. We'll see if we get such type of file, then how to load that file through DM. So this is the file, like we have account, entity, and the amount split in debit and credit. So we want to load this file. So how to load, we'll see that in TRCS application. I'm trying to see for this account and entity. If we try to do it for LE102, what will be the result? So I'm trying to change the entity and we'll see before and after load result. Okay, so my account is 15110. We'll choose same 15120. Okay, let's start with DM loading. So first we'll register our source system and target system. We'll check the result now in workflow. We'll check here data load workbench. Now I have already created my source and target system in TRCS. We'll see from data exchange. So file is my source system and TRCS is my target system. Now we'll create the import format. IMF DRCR. So my source is file, target is TRCS. I'll use file type as fixed numeric data and save. Now we'll define here the start and the length of the dimensions. First we'll define for account. Okay, so my account is 1. My account starts with 1 and it has length 5 digits, so 1 2 3 4 5, and the length is 5. I'll save it. Similarly I'll do for other dimensions as well. That is for amount. If you will see in the file, the amount starts from here, that is count the space also. So 5 is of account number digits, that is 1 2 3 4 5. This is 6, that is the space. Entity is 7 8 9 10 11, space is 12. So from 13 digit my accounts get started. So I'll write start digit is 13, length is account length is 1 2 3 4 5, count the space 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So I'll write the length as 11 and save. Now here in amount you need to give the expression that DRCR split. Now you have to give the expression where should be the split. So 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 digit there is a split, so split on 6. So I'll write here 6. Then you have the configuration. Now these are not in your file, so you can give any previously used number and length as 0. Data source is also not in my file, so I'll give the same. Okay, so entity is in my file and it starts with 5 of account 6 space, so 7, and it has 5 digits. So start is 7 and length is 5. So entity is 1 2 3 4 5 and start with 7th digit. From currency we do not have that in our file, so I'll use 1 and 0 length, and similarly for others also. Last is the multi-cap. I'll follow the same procedure for multi-cap as well. Alright, so I have defined my import format. Now we'll move to location. We'll create the location here. Choose the import format which you have created. Yeah, so this is the one. Source is file, functional currency is entity currency, target is TRCS, and save. So this is your location. Now move to data load mapping. Choose the correct location first. So for account, I'll be doing like to like mapping, star to star mapping, because whatever is there in my file, I want the exactly same. For configuration, I'll give the target value now. I'll choose TRCS no configuration. Now for data source, it is already managed data, which is correct. Entity star to star, because that's in my file. Now from currency, I'll define it as source is star. For identifier, I'll choose from here. Maybe we can choose no identifier only. For intercompany, I'll say no intercompany. Jurisdiction is defined as no jurisdiction, movement is defined as no movement, and multi-gap as local gap. So I've all given all the mappings now. Now we'll move to the creation of data load rule. Now select the import format which you have created here, and target is console, target cube is console, category is actual. All right. Now I'll upload my file. I'll delete the old one and upload the new one. Now wait for some time. Parallelly, I'll try to configure in Smart View. I'll check for accounts which are there in my file. 15110. 15110, 15120 is also there. 15130. account I have defined. Just give me a moment, I'll check. We'll wait again for the file to export. Okay, now it's exported. Now we'll see the result here itself. See, you can see some amount you can see in positive and some amount in negative. So debit is plus and credit is minus. Now you can go and check with the file 15110. It is 10,000 positive debit, so it is 10,000 positive for 15110 account. Now if you see for 15120, here it is 50,000 positive. So for 15120 it is 50,000 positive. So it is 15130. So negative, if you see, it is 25,000, 70,000 and 90,000. So 25 it is in credit, 70,000 and 90,000. These are all in credit, so it comes in with minus sign. 12,000 is also minus sign because it comes in credit side. Now 15,100 and 60,000 also comes credit side. It will also be minus 15,100 and 60,000. Similarly, 50,000 and 90,000 comes in debit side, so it is positive 50 and 90,000. Similarly, 10, 50,000 and 15 and 80,000 also is positive because it's in debit side. 10, 15, these all are in positive. So Smart View is not getting connected to the instance right now. It's getting some error. I'll fix it. In next session, I'll be showing you the case with Smart View, seeing the result in Smart View before load and after load. But this is the same thing you'll be getting there. And in this way, you can load the debit and credit with debit and credit column. If there it's in your file, you can load that in this way through GM. You will be getting debit as positive and credit as negative in one column only. And just you have to keep in mind this, like what should be your start and what should be a length digit. Seeing your file, and you need to give in amount, you need to give the expression that where should be the DRCR split between debit and credit, and count the space as well. So this was only the point to be noted in import format, and rest the procedure is same. Yeah, so today we covered the DRCR split data load, and in next session we'll be covering the next topics. Thank you for your time. If you have any doubt, please contact BISP Solutions. Thank you.